white plumbing shop. So today what we are talking about today is plunger. We're talking about plunger today. Plunger is a household material, a sanitary material that every household should have for the sake of emergency. Plunger is used on a waistline like kitchen sink, WC, and floor drain. So you have different types of plungers. This one is open. This one you can buy it from plumbing shop. It's when you have some emergency on blockage. Like maybe you are cooking in the kitchen, when you pour water on your sink, the water is not easily going. You use plunger. Instead of calling your plumber before the plumber will come, delaying your time, you can easily use plunger. This plunger, you use it on the sink. Now this is the kitchen sink. Here, if it's blocked, you use it here to clear the blockage. This is the way you use it, to clear the blockage before you can get attention of your plumber. You use it and the waste will clear. Then if you use it and it did not clear, then you need the plumber to come and check your system. Maybe the septic tank, if the septic tank have filled up, and then you need to do evacuation, and then from there the waste will go. But if it is a minor blockage that is not up to the septic tank, then the plunger will do the work for you for emergency reasons. Then you can also use it on the floor drain. You see the floor drain sometimes when it's filled up, it's flooded. The toilet will be flooded. Then you can quickly reach to the plunger. I always advise people to have two plungers, one for the kitchen and one for the toilet. And the toilet one should be bigger than the one in the kitchen. Like you have this one here. This one can serve anywhere, but you can keep one in the kitchen. And then this one, you use it on the floor drain. When the floor drain is flooded, you can quickly get and use it to poke. Like this is the floor drain, you put it and press it like this. It will blow off whatever air that is there. If you try it and it did not go, then you need the attention of a plumber. But if it is a minor blockage, it's not from the septic tank, then they soak away, then it will go. The blockage will clear with this plunger. Then if it did not go, then you need attention of a plumber. That means the blockage may come from the septic tank, which is the soak away. The soak away. What people call soak away is not the soak away. Where the blockage comes from is the septic tank. Now that one will be for another video. But this is what you need to clear your system at the moment.
Yes, and I believe we have learned a lot about these plungers. From that video you see, I believe that this plunger is going to help you a lot in your home. You have one of these either in your toilet, either you have one of these in your kitchen, so that once you have this blockage, there are some blockages that are minor, which does not need the work of a plumber. But by using this plunger in your toilet, once the toilet, the floor drain is blocked, you use this plunger. Once you are putting it there, you are pouring water little by little, little by little, and before you find it, the whole blockage has been relieved. Then from there, your toilet, the water in your toilet can move freely. Then with this WC now, you see as this plunger concerned, once you you have, maybe your toilet does not flow very well, you poo after pooing, or you urinate inside the toilet, then maybe you flush it and the water does not go very freely. You put in this plunger, put it inside the toilet, pump it. While pumping it, you are pouring water on it. While pumping it, you are pouring water on it. While pumping it, you are pouring water on it. Slowly, before you know, this toilet now will be very free. Except once you are doing all these things with the help of this plunger and the blockage does not remove, what you need to do is to call in the attention of a plumber, and through there, your toilet will be very free. Please subscribe to this channel, because we have a lot to teach you about some work in your home that need nobody to come in. Please try to subscribe to Tony White Plumbing Training. See you next week. Thank you.